Imagine the universe as a bank with one unbreakable rule. No energy can ever be created or destroyed. It can only be moved between accounts. This is the law of conservation of energy, arguably the most important rule in science. Think of the two main accounts: potential energy, the stored energy of position, like a roller coaster paused at the top of a terrifying drop, and kinetic energy, the energy of motion, like the speed of that same coaster as it plummets. In a perfect, frictionless world, the transfer is flawless. As the coaster falls, every bit of potential energy from its height is converted into pure, thrilling speed. A swinging pendulum performs the same elegant dance, trading height for speed and back again, a perfect symmetry of motion. But our world isn't perfect. It has friction. Friction acts like a hidden transaction fee. It doesn't destroy the energy, but it transforms useful motion into chaotic, low-grade heat. When a car slams on its brakes, the kinetic energy doesn't vanish. It becomes the intense heat shimmering off the brake rotors. This is why a bouncy ball eventually stops bouncing. Each impact pays a small energy tax as heat and sound until its mechanical energy account is empty. And yet, this law is a physicist's superpower. We don't need to analyze every complex force on a twisting, looping track. We only need to know the energy balance at the start and the end. That's how we know a diver jumping from a 10-meter platform will hit the water at exactly 14 meters per second, no matter how many flips they perform. Their starting height dictates their final speed. It's the universe's flawless accounting, where every single joule is always accounted for.